In the heart of western Jiangxi lies a city where the air feels lighter, and the waters are said to carry the essence of the moon itself. Welcome to Yichun, a destination that has evolved from a serene mountain retreat into a vital player in the global green energy revolution. Known historically as the Spring City and the City of the Moon, Yichun offers a rare blend of ancient Zen spirituality and cutting-edge industrial power. Whether you are drawn by the healing heat of its natural springs or its role in powering the future, Yichun demands your attention. Today, we invite you to journey through its mist-covered peaks and modern industrial parks to discover a city that truly bridges the gap between heaven and earth. This is the story of Yichun, where tradition flows as freely as its legendary waters. Yichun is strategically positioned in the northwest of Jiangxi Province, serving as a gateway between the provincial capital, Nanchang, and the bustling markets of Hunan. Its name, meaning pleasant spring, was bestowed during the Han Dynasty over 2,000 years ago, inspired by a local spring that was said to taste as sweet as wine. Throughout the Tang and Song dynasties, the city flourished as a major center for Zen Buddhism, particularly the Caodong school, which spread its teachings across East Asia. History here is etched into the landscape, from the ancient pathways of Mingyu Mountain to the thermal vents of Wentang Town that have flowed for centuries. This deep history brings us to a local mystery involving the origins of its famous moniker. Do you know which famous ancient official and scholar was so moved by the purity of this city that he claimed the famous spring was the best under heaven? Please share your guesses or the stories you have heard about this legendary figure in the comment section below. The heartbeat of Yichun is defined by its deep connection to the moon, a cultural theme that permeates everything from local architecture to annual festivals. The local population is predominantly Han Chinese, though the city acts as a cultural melting pot where the traditions of the Gan people meet mountainous Hakka influences. The most commonly used language is the Gan dialect, specifically the Yichun subdialect, which carries a rhythmic and sharp musicality unique to western Jiangxi. Daily life here often revolves around the hot spring culture, particularly in Wentang, where residents and visitors alike gather to soak in mineral-rich waters. Yichun is also a land of Zen, where the quiet contemplation of monastic life has shaped a community that values patience, hospitality, and environmental harmony. Every year, the Moon Cultural Festival turns the city into a stage of light and poetry, celebrating the celestial beauty that has inspired local artists for generations. Historically, Yichun was an agrarian and spiritual hub, but recent decades have seen a dramatic shift that has placed it on the world stage. The city has undergone a massive economic transformation, successfully pivoting from traditional agriculture to becoming the lithium capital of Asia. Yichun holds one of the world's largest reserves of lepidolite, a crucial mineral used in the production of lithium-ion batteries for electric vehicles. To understand its significance, if we compare Yichun to global mining hubs in Australia or Chile, it stands as a unique, vertically integrated industrial ecosystem. Major milestones include the arrival of global battery giants like CATL and BYD, which have turned Yichun into a cornerstone of the global green supply chain. This industrial surge has not only boosted local GDP, but has also created a specialized workforce that is driving innovation in renewable energy storage and transport. If you ask me whether I have visited or what truly impressed me about this city, the answer lies in its duality. I was stunned by the sight of high-tech battery factories operating only a short distance from ancient mountain temples where time seems to stand still. There is a specific kind of peace you find here, whether it is watching the moon rise over Mingyu Mountain or feeling the warmth of the hot springs. Yichun is a city that is looking firmly toward the future without ever forgetting the spiritual and natural roots that made it famous. It is a place where the old world and the new world do not just coexist, but actually empower one another. If you found this exploration of Yichun's unique energy and culture fascinating, please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more journeys into the heart of China. Have you ever experienced the hot springs of Jiangxi? Or does the idea of a lithium capital intrigue you? Please let us know your thoughts and leave a comment below with your impressions of this remarkable city.